Surge across the country. The future of in-person learning at our schools here at home could be in jeopardy.
Yeah, that's right. Let's get right out to News 12's Phil Tate. He's got more for us now from outside PS 279 in Canarsie. Phil, what's the latest?
Yeah, well, Kurt, Amanda, as New York sees record levels of coronavirus cases, Governor Kathy Hochul says schools will remain open. Well, tonight I spoke with a pediatrician along with a parent advocate who says that the health and safety of all students must always come first.
I believe that the schools need to go remote. If not, then give a remote option.
For parent advocate Farah Despain, she says parents are nervous as New York sees coronavirus cases skyrocket. This as in-person learning remains the only option for city public school students.
I think as a parent, I need the state and the city to put lives first, right? Put human beings first. And right now, all I'm hearing is that we need to keep the economy open, no shutdown, but at what cost?
Governor Kathy Hochul is determined to keep schools open and avoid shutdowns. Today, promoting a test-to-stay policy that the CDC gave its blessing to last week. It's for kids who are exposed to COVID but aren't showing any symptoms.
Test the child, and if they are negative, the first day, send them back to school. A few days later, test again. If they continue to be negative, there's no reason why we have to have such a disruption.
For UFT President Michael Mulgrew, he says city teachers are prepared to handle any curveball.
The teachers are prepared and have prepared since September. There's, 10,000 kids in remote today, probably. We're ready to do that, but we want our schools to remain open.
For pediatrician Brenda Anosike, she says parents have to stick with what has worked.
The most important thing, whatever the decision ultimately will be, is that masks, masks, masks. The science has been there.
And while the city and state work to keep everyone safe, some parents with strong opinions.
I'm not having my kids tested to stay or anything of the sort. I'm not taking that chance. I want a remote option for my children.
So, Phil, we heard the governor endorse that test-to-stay policy earlier today. Any word tonight on whether we're going to see it here in our city schools anytime soon?
Yeah, well, Amanda, it's up to each school district if they want to implement that test-to-stay policy or if they'll just simply continue quarantining from close contacts. Now, we did reach out to the Department of Education tonight, just telling us we have not heard back from them as of yet. And when we asked last Friday, they told us that no updates to report. Amanda?
All right, Phil, we will keep a close eye on that. And like Phil mentioned,